And in this session, let's learn about HTML tables that are still best known for being used as layout pages in some cases, but they're not. But let's learn the right way, and we'll come across how to use a layout page without tables in the CSS tutorial. But the correct use of tables is to do exactly what you want a table to do, to structure tabular data. And a table is something similar to an Excel. You might have worked on Excel. What does a table have? It has rows and columns, right? So let's start with that, and we let HTML know that we're talking about a table, and inside of that table we have a row, and in that row let's create cells. So I'm gonna call it they call it TD, and that's a cell. So I'm gonna say cell 1, and let's see how this is turning out. Okay, so this is row 1, cell 1. I'm going to copy paste this. Let's keep this rolling on the side. Okay, and this is turning out to be interesting that there are so many more cells that get created. Notice this line, the tiny margin that comes just like you do in Excel, and they only come when the particular element is highlighted, and it could do one at a time. We'll talk about debugging later, and that's where all of this will come in. Now let's create some more. I'm going to bring this row closer, so we tidy the code up a bit, and then I'm going to make it simpler. Okay, there you go. And there's also something to do with syntaxing, which we need to really take care of. And thankfully IDEs take care of that. So I'm going to make all of this 1 as 2, and this is 4, 3, this is 2, great. So the table defines the table element defines the table, and the TR element defines a table row, and TD defines a data cell, and they need to be enclosed in between the TR tags. And if you imagine a 3 by 2 table, this is something similar to that. Alright, so that's about tables. See you around in the next class. Thank you.